Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 7, Lesson 44, and today we're going to see prepositional phrases do something really cool. You already know a prepositional phrase is a little group of words that starts with a preposition. But here's the surprise. Those phrases can take on jobs. Some of them act like adjectives, and some act like adverbs. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to tell which is which. Let's dive in. First, a quick recap. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. Think of phrases like on the hill, under the table, or with joy. Each one is a tidy little unit. And here's the big idea for today. That whole phrase, all its words together, does one single job in the sentence. It's like a team wearing one jersey. Sometimes that job is an adjective job, and sometimes it's an adverb job. So there are two main jobs. An adjective phrase describes a noun or a pronoun. It answers the questions, which one or what kind. An adverb phrase describes a verb. It answers how, when, or where. Notice the phrases can look exactly the same on the outside. What tells them apart is the word they point to and describe. Let's look at each job up close, one at a time. Here's an adjective phrase in action, the house on the hill. The phrase is on the hill, and it's pointing straight back at the noun, house. Ask yourself, which house? Not the one downtown, not the one by the lake, but the one on the hill. Because the phrase tells us which house, it's doing an adjective's job. See how the arrow reaches from the phrase back to the noun it describes? An adjective phrase always points at a noun or a pronoun. Now an adverb phrase. She sang with joy. The phrase is with joy, and this time it's pointing back at the verb sang. Ask yourself, how did she sing? With joy. Because the phrase tells us how the singing happened, it's doing an adverb's job. Watch the arrow again, reaching from the phrase back to the verb. Adverb phrases can also tell you when something happened or where it happened, but they always point at the action. So how do you decide which job a phrase is doing? Here's the simple trick. First, find the phrase. Then ask the key question. What word does this phrase describe? If it describes a noun, telling you which one or what kind, it's an adjective phrase. If it describes a verb, telling you how, when, or where, it's an adverb phrase. Don't just look at the phrase itself. Chase down the word it points to. That word gives you the answer every single time. Let's put both jobs in one sentence. The boy in the blue coat ran across the field. Two phrases, two different jobs. The first phrase, in the blue coat, points back at the noun boy. Which boy? The one in the blue coat. That's an adjective phrase. The second phrase, across the field, points back at the verb ran. Ran where? Across the field. That's an adverb phrase. Same sentence, and each phrase quietly finds its own target. Let's boil it all down. Does the phrase describe a noun? Then it's an adjective phrase. Does the phrase describe a verb? Then it's an adverb phrase. Find the target word, and the job names itself. That's really all there is to it. Ready to practice? Let's try a few together. In this first set, I'll show you a sentence with one phrase in it. Your job is to decide, is that phrase doing an adjective's job, describing a noun, or an adverb's job, describing a verb? Pause the video and try each one before I reveal the answer. The cabin near the lake stays cool all summer. Look at the phrase near the lake. Ask which cabin? The one near the lake. It's pointing at the noun cabin, telling us which one. So the answer is an adjective phrase. The kitten slept on the warm windowsill. Look at the phrase on the warm windowsill. Ask, slept where? On the windowsill. It's pointing at the verb slept, telling us where. So the answer is an adverb phrase. A path of smooth stones led to the garden. Careful with this one. There are two phrases, but focus on of smooth stones. Ask, what kind of path? A path of smooth stones. It's pointing at the noun path, telling us what kind. So the answer is an adjective phrase. Now let's go one step deeper. For each sentence, I'll point to a phrase, and you decide which word it describes, and therefore which kind of phrase it is. Pause and try each one before I answer. We hiked through the misty forest. The phrase is through the misty forest. Which word does it describe? Ask hiked where? Through the forest. It's describing the verb hiked, telling us where. So the answer is an adverb phrase describing hiked. The girl with red glasses won the contest. The phrase is with red glasses. Which word does it describe? Ask which girl? The one with red glasses. It's describing the noun girl, telling us which one. So the answer is an adjective phrase describing girl. Our team practices after school. The phrase is after school. Which word does it describe? Ask practices when? After school. It's describing the verb practices, telling us when. So the answer is an adverb phrase describing practices. Let's wrap up. A prepositional phrase does one job as a team, and there are two jobs it can take. An adjective phrase describes a noun, answering which one or what kind. An adverb phrase describes a verb, answering how, when, or where. The secret is always the same. Find the word the phrase points to. If it's a noun, you've got an adjective phrase. If it's a verb, you've got an adverb phrase. Great work today. I'll see you in the next lesson.